Imagine the tantalizing aroma of lemon herb chicken wafting through your kitchen, promising a meal that's not just delicious, but also nutritious and simple to prepare. Pat them dry with a paper towel and season with salt and pepper. This creates the base layer of flavor that makes this dish truly sing. Once the oil shimmers with heat, add your chicken breasts. Cook them until they're golden brown and cooked through. That's about 7 to 8 minutes per side. In a bowl, combine the juice of 1 lemon, a teaspoon of minced garlic, and a handful of your favorite fresh herbs. Think fragrant rosemary, bright parsley, or earthy thyme. Pour in a 1/4 cup of chicken broth for depth of flavor and whisk everything together. Lower your heat and pour your lemon herb sauce into the skillet, stirring to deglaze those delicious bits stuck to the bottom. Simmer this aromatic delight for a couple of minutes until it reduces slightly. Let it simmer for another 2 to 3 minutes. This allows the chicken to absorb all those zesty, herby flavors, creating a symphony of taste that'll make your taste buds dance. But this dish doesn't just save you time. It's packed with lean protein from the chicken, healthy fats from the olive oil, and a wealth of vitamins from the lemon and herbs. It's a meal that nourishes your body, satisfies your stomach, and delights your palate. Because good food doesn't have to be complicated. Sometimes all it takes is a handful of ingredients, a dash of creativity, and a love for cooking.